We're going to make some bonfire toffee. In a pan we're going to put the full bag of dark soft brown sugar, which is 500 grams in that bag, whole bag in, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of the white vinegar, and 20 grams of golden syrup, and 40 grams of the black treacle, and a bit of water. I'm going to put it all together in a pan and on a low heat melt it together. Put the ring on a low heat and bring everything together. Stir it until everything's melted together. Don't put it on a high heat, because then this sugar won't melt properly and it'll be, your toffee will be like crystallized. So just stir occasionally, and you've got to bring it up to the hard crack stage, which is 140, 50, 60, 150 degrees hard crack stage. Just stirring occasionally so it doesn't stick at the bottom. Don't over stir. That's it. Right, that got up to 150 degrees. If you haven't got sugar thermometer, just get a little bit of it. Water. Just drip a little bit in. See it snap. When I was a little girl, my mum used to get a spoonful, put it in cold water, cool it and set it quick for us like that, so we could eat it, because we were too impatient to wait. In my moulds, these are all the silicone lolly moulds that I used. I got 36 lollipops plus 2 big chunks out of there. It's not too strong in black treacle, but you can taste it, and it's not too mild. If you don't think it's strong enough, or you think it's too mild, you just alter the ratios of golden syrup to black treacle until you find the best flavour for yourself. Very nice, I can't stop eating them. I got these sticks off eBay, cheap as out. And then moulds, lolly moulds aren't expensive, and if you know, once you've got them, you've got them forever, haven't you? You can get Christmas themed ones. My favourite one is just a plain round one. I'll show you this one, because you get a nice, like, it's thick, it's a deeper lolly. Nice one. The smiley face. Christmas tree. Gingerbread girl, and there's a gingerbread boy. You just need to put them in an airtight container. It's a nice recipe. It's when you use all black treacle, to me it's too strong. Give it a try. All you need is a 500 gram bag of sugar, brown sugar. I'll list all ingredients in the description. Bit of black treacle, golden syrup, and you know, you won't use all that black treacle and golden syrup in making these 30 odd lollies. So, you know, you can do it all again. All you'll need to buy is another bag of sugar. Butter, you'll have enough to do some more. So really, you might think it's expensive to buy these ingredients, but once you've got the black treacle and the golden syrup, I mean, it is then cheap and cheerful to make. Because them moulds you can just use time and time again. And I think I'll make some different lollies as well, you know, like when you go to Seaside and you get those red rock dummies. I have made that before, that toffee. And I've coated apples with that. So I'll have to have a go at that sometime. So try it, it's cheap, it is cheap and cheerful. Give me a like, a thumbs up, subscribe. Help me to grow my channel. And give this recipe a go. You don't need a sugar thermometer. They're not that dear and you should invest in one. Will make it easier for you, but you don't need it. Years ago when my mum, when I was a little girl, used to make bonfire toffee and that, and she never had a sugar thermometer. She just used to get a bowl of cold icy water and just drip a little bit of mixture in, and if it formed a ball and it, you know, was crunchy, and you knew it were done. You know, we didn't always have sugar thermometers. People didn't always have them. So don't let that stop you having a go. And they're really nice. And if you can only afford one mould, you want to get something like that, because it's just a nice thickness. You don't even have to buy lolly sticks. You can just use these moulds and just have that like a chunk of toffee. Shove it in your mouth. You don't need it to bother with sticks. Okay, everybody? Give us a like, a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.